Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Step. Today in this video let's learn about how to create Binance account. So let's get started. At first we should have already downloaded the app. Now let's tap on this one. Now here we need to choose the type of user you are. So let's tap on crypto novice for now. Now you can sign up with your email or phone number, or you can simply continue with Google as well. Let's go for first option. Now enter your email. Now click on next. Let's verify it and click on verify. Now we need to verify through email. Confirm with the verification code. Now set the password and click on next. So the account is created. So this is it. This is how we can create Binance account in Android. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.